Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited, y'all. I can't even tell you. Look what I got. Okay, so I did cut it open, but this is the Chic Beauty Box. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. This is a box that is full of makeup, and this is a subscription box. It is bi-monthly, so you get it every other month. And it says a box full of makeup, and that's it. A fully customizable beauty subscription box full of makeup worth over $150 for only $34.99. And again, that's every other month that you're going to pay that. Chic Beauty Box is fully customizable bi-monthly makeup subscription box that sends out 5 to 6 full-size items every other month. Boxes include amazing products from high-end and drugstore brands. Subscribers can fully customize their box and pick out 5 to 6 products every time. So what you do is you go in and you fill out your profile and you tell them about your preferences and that kind of thing. And then you get to, also they sell things on the website. You get points for purchases, and then you can spend that against some things in the store if you'd like. So fully customizable. I'm so excited. They sent this to me free. This is PR, y'all. This is my first PR makeup. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Now, I'm not sure if it always comes this way. It may just come as the box. I'll show you the box. I'm sure you've seen it before. This is what it looks like. But there's something that's too big to fit in the box in this bag. So that's why they did it this way. And I've already saw what's in there. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show that to you first. Okay, I'm just making sure that there's nothing else in the box. And y'all, I'm so excited. Now, this is fully customizable, but because they sent this to me PR, I did not customize, and I don't believe I'll be able to customize. They will send me what they want to each time. And this box comes from Canada. So this is the March-April subscription. So I got this on April 1st. You're seeing this on April 2nd. So, you know, it's the March-April box, and it came mid that time frame because it's coming from Canada. I have seen some channels not happy about the timing of it, but I'm just happy that it, you know, I'm so happy. I'm so excited to get a makeup box, y'all. So let me show you this. I already have this and I love it, but I'm going to show it to you. And I have mine. This is Ace Beauty. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite palettes. I use it all the time. Ace Beauty Paradise Fallen. And this is the beautiful box that it comes in. And when you open it up, this is what the palette looks like. It does have a mirror on one side, and it has the shade saver. Let me put this in front of it and show you the beautiful shades. It's gorgeous. It's one of my favorites. I love purples. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to just put this back in, and we're going to swatch my palettes. But what I'll do is I'll go through the box first, and then we'll swatch that. Because since I already have it, I might, you know, I'm not going to swatch a new one. I am going to swatch everything in this box, use everything in this box. But like I said, since I already have this already open and I use it, I'll show you that one, okay? But look how cute this box is. Chic Beauty Box. So cute little box. And there is their website. I'll have their information below. I believe I have a discount code. Yes, I do. It is CHICCATS. So CHICCATS. And I think that'll give you 15% off your first box. So I'll put that below, and I may have it in the title as well. So when you open this box, this is what it looks like inside. Nice box, the way it opens. And they have some nice padding on it. And there is a card that comes with it. Isn't that pretty? For March, April, the nice spring flowers, beautiful. Lilacs, those look like lilacs. So on the back, it says March, April box. And there's variation 1, variation 2. I believe that is for the PR people. Unless, see, I'm not sure you're customizable what you're going to do because I haven't done it, if you'll get to choose between the two. So I got variation 1, and the Ace Beauty palette is valued at $34.99. And then let's see what else I have. Next up, I see this product. This is pretty. It's Revlon. See, there's store brands, and then there's up to, you know, really high-end brands in here. This is a color correcting pen, Revlon Photo Ready for redness. This is for redness, and this is valued at $10.99. Isn't that pretty, the packaging? Let's see if I can open it. It has tape on it, I think. Let me see. I usually get my tweezers or something to help me open. It's taped. But we're gonna open it anyway because I wanna see what it's all about. I wanna be able to show you all of these products. Okay. And this is it's got a little bit of heft to it. And let's see. So it has a brush. And then probably you'll have to, prime it. Let's see if I can, color correcting pen. I might have to click until I see the product coming up. And this is for redness. So that's, sometimes I do have redness on my skin. Let's see if that, okay, I see it coming now. And you'll have that nice brush to help you with it. I did go too far. So that green will take down your redness for you. And then you can use the brush to brush it in some. I did get too much, so that was my fault because I wasn't used to priming it. But you blend it in, like wherever you have some redness on your face. And then it will help to tone down your redness. So that is really cool, interesting. I like that brush. That brush is neat. And that is that product. I do have some wipes here because I knew I would be swatching. So I'll just wipe that off. But that does, took away pinkness in my skin. Interesting. Interesting how the colors work for correction. Next up we have this item. And this is Bella Pierre. This is a angled blush brush. I know I have some brushes from Bella Pierre, and this came off. This has a nice cover for it. This is valued at $30. This is a nice brush. So you can carry it with you that way. Very nice brush, and it's angled. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and dense. So I'm gonna definitely be using that. I love brushes. I love a good brush. It has a nice weighted handle, and there it is, Bella Pierre, and it says angled blush brush number 36. Okay, so there it is. Very cool. Very cool. And next we have this item. There's some pretty little stuff in there that the cats will probably like. This is the brand Give Them Lala Beauty. And it says, I'm the powerful one. This is a cream blush. And this is valued at $26. Now, I will tell you this. Now that I'm seeing this happening, there's variation 1, there's variation 2. I have a mixture of the two. So this is in variation 2. The other products I've shown so far were in variation 1. And let's open this up and see what this looks like. Just a nice plain packaging, and oops, when you open it, I always have trouble opening things, y'all. I think you push, okay, it's just this, kind of thing here. It has a nice mirror with a saver on it, and then it's a really, really red. Let's see, it says, I guess the color name is I'm the Powerful One. So let's swatch it. Oh, it feels really good. See, now you can see how dark it is. It doesn't come off that dark, as it shouldn't, because you'll blend it in anyway. But let's put it on me and see. So that blends nicely. I'm not very much into cream blushes, but lately we've been getting them, so I've been using them more. And then, then you can just use your brush to blend it out. That pretty brush. So that's very pretty. So when things like this, in the past, I've learned this could be very intimidating because like, oh, that's so dark for me. But you see it's not. So Very cool. All right. And then the last product is very pretty packaging. Look how pretty that is with the watermelons. This is by the brand Estate. And this item is in both boxes. This is called Lip Thirst. And it's in Pina is the color. I love that packaging. It makes me thirsty, that watermelon. And, you know, I have an Estate lippy that I use. I have several different lippies that I carry with me, and I use them throughout the week. I just carry them in a bag, and I swap out different colors, and I love my Estate lippy. Oh, is that beautiful? The one I have is a lot lighter than this. This is gorgeous, but it's the same style of lippy. This says Lip Thirst Buildable Lip Color. And I think that's what I have because it's more like a gloss than a lipstick. See how dark that is? It's got a purple to it, but it might be more like a gloss is what it sounds like. So let's swatch it and see. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It is purpley, real pretty for the summer, I think. And the packaging is very pretty. Whoops, I'm dropping it. Hang on. And Estate, I got some on there. So that's very pretty, very pretty. I love the packaging. Okay, that's what I got in the box. Let's swatch the palette. If I look, let's see, 35, the palette, 35, 45, 55, 61, I'm 50, wait. I'll have to stop to add up, y'all. I can't add up that fast. I'm not going that fast. So yes, some of the things in here, like I got the color correcting pen, and the item in the other variation would be a Revlon setting spray. So there's still a Revlon product. Both packages have the Lip Thirst. Both packages have a Bella Pierre brush. I have the angled blush brush, and the other is a powder dome brush. And then I got the Give Them Lala cream blush, and the other choice was Kylie Cosmetics pressed bronzing powder. And then my Ace Beauté palette, and the other was NARS Velvet eyeshadow. So I will be watching other people's videos to see if they got the different variation. But here's the palette, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It is one of my favorite palettes, y'all. It just really is. Okay, so there's 12 colors in here. And I'll just go across the top, and then this is Pure. It's a gray, a light gray. Moon Glow is a shimmer. Stone and Orion is a shimmer. See, they have a nice color to them, a nice, they go on nicely, smoothly. And then we have, these colors are just so pretty. Some of them I didn't think I would use, but I do use them. This one is Vine and Cypress Tree. Isn't that pretty? That's like a burgundy brown. This one is Shadow. I love that shadow. And then this one is Twilight. I didn't get very much, but see, that's got that beautiful shimmer to it. Beautiful. When I got this palette, I believe I swatched it for y'all too when I originally got it. And I use these purples often. I don't have them on now. I do have some purples on, but I don't have them on now because I put makeup on before I open this package. This is Eve. Isn't that gorgeous? And Night Sky. See that nice opulence in there. Dusk and Blackout. I love that. Beautiful colors. A lot you can do with this. Lots and lots you can do with this. Very, very pretty. Y'all, I'm so excited to get this. I really am. They did say to me that they want my honest review. And I like what I got. I really like what I got. I think it's beautiful. This is just, what a way to start out with a gorgeous Ace Beauté palette. And this brush I will be using immediately. I have a lot of face brushes, and I use them because I enjoy them. And this surprised me. Give Them Lala. I've had a few items from them in the past, and they're just okay for me, but this was really pretty. There it is again, the blush, very nice blush. And I'm not real big on cream blushes, but I like the way that looks. It's very pretty. So I'll be putting that into my makeup collection that I'm using, what I use now. And now this, I don't know that I'll use this very often. The Photo Ready, the color correcting pen, but sometimes I do have red splotches. So I'm gonna try it out and see. This was interesting to me. I know that on color correcting type products, they have different colors, that you can get. So the green is for redness, and then, it depends on what you've got going on. You would choose that product for that. And then we have the Estate Lippy, and this is so pretty. Really pretty color. I love it. So thanks for stopping by and seeing what's in the March-April Chic Beauty Box. Thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box for thinking of me and sending this to me. And I'm just super excited to be showing this box, y'all. And I'll have all the information below, how to find it and my code. And like I said, go check it out. This is from Canada. I think that's really interesting because a lot of boxes are from here in the States. So to have one from somewhere else is really cool. So thanks y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see y'all. Bye-bye.